I wish I could open up my window because it's beautiful out today, but it makes it unusable. Alright, third day of my birthday weekend, third birthday makeup. Let's fucking go. Just gonna pause that for a second. We're gonna be matching our makeup to this book today, and then we'll go over the last of my birthday gift stuff. Woo-wee. God, I've never consumed so much sushi in my life. Positive statement. I'm so excited about the amount of rice I've consumed. I was just gonna go get soup and then decided on a sushi roll. And it was delicious. It's like, what are you gonna do? That's a lot of orange next to a lot of purple, not really color combo that I do particularly often. Well, I'm not gonna do it. No. I guess you don't want to hear about 9/11. There's my thing. That remote can go in there. I like you. So, in the other video, last week's video, I went to the whatchamacallit. I was like, oh, I'm gonna try this new eye primer, and I hated it, so I had to return it. So I don't have a new eye primer, and I'm probably gonna have to try the P. Louise, which I thought P. Louise was available at Sephora, but now I'm not entirely sure. And I'd rather not have to order it from like Beauty Bay or something. I mean, I guess. Oh, my eyebrow hairs are so prickly. They're like essentially velcroing themselves to the brush. There's like a mix going on between like this being almost a touch too yellow or red, this almost being a touch too gold, and in there is me, just in there vibing, brown skinned.
I don't need him to do tricks or anything cool looking. I just need him to cooperate with me. What a good boy. Saber got in a fight, and I'm a big believer in Hudson.
Honestly, sometimes like my favorite looks that I want to like recreate are just like one color on the lid, just real pretty. I like doing that with blue eyeshadow a lot too. Trying to protect my dress from eyeshadow. That's what I used to put that shimmer on my eye yesterday. My makeup, I love my makeup, but I think it's so funny how much I forget, because I'm a very at-home person, how much I forget how like done up I am sometimes. And so I went out, and then this woman was like, oh, what's the special occasion? And I was like, oh, you know, it's my birthday. But like, it's not like big special occasion. I was like, oh yeah, normal people don't go out with a negative space cut crease just like on a Saturday. They should. More girls should, but currently they don't. So I look like a pre-alien. That's kind of big. A little bigger than I was intending. I'm having issues with the camera today. This is the rest of the makeup look. Very cute, very fun. Oh God, they're sitting on top of Tiffany. So cool, yeah. You can follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok at Megan_Blush_. As long as any of those social media sites last, you know, we're all gonna have a good time. We're all gonna chill. It's very purple today.